Yes, life happens, and at the age of 40, I had to go out and find a job after staying at home for many years. And because I had no work experience or university degree, after school, I had to settle for a job that paid a minimum wage but very, very long hours. And after a few years, I became fed up. I was sick and tired of giving more to my work, hours of my day, for such a little salary, a small salary, and I didn't have enough time with my family. So I was looking online for something that would give me exactly that. And I came across digital marketing. That changed everything. Now I work from my home in just 2 hours a day, where I learn how to market my business on any social media platform of my choice. I only post 3 videos a day. I learn how to do that. I get daily training. I don't have to call anyone or bother anyone of my family and friends to buy from me. My system is automated. I learn attraction marketing. I didn't need any experience to do digital marketing. I am learning step by step how to do it. I earn 100% profit of each program I sell. I only paid once for my business, and because I have master resale rights, I can sell the same product 10 times, 100 times, 1,000 times, and it's still mine. And I still earn 100% profit each time. So if you are tired of working long hours, minimum wage, and want to get out of that situation desperately, comment yes, and I will send you a free info.